Hello student, today we are going to study about recoil velocity. Recoil velocity is just the application, we can say, application of conservation of momentum. Recoil means just a jerk velocity. Recoil velocity is just equal to a jerk velocity. Here today, we derive an expression for the recoil velocity of a gun. When the bullet is fired with the gun, then there is a jerk velocity appears on the soldier's sword due to the speed of bullet. That jerk velocity is known as recoil velocity of the gun. So, if we define recoil velocity, then we can say that the jerk velocity of the gun in backward direction, when bullet is fired with the gun in forward direction, is known as recoil velocity. Let's see on a board. Here we have a diagram of gun, and the bullet is initially we can say the bullet is inside the gun. The mg is the mass of gun, and initially the gun is at rest. When the bullet is fired, mb is the mass of bullet. When it is fired with the gun, then it moves with the velocity vv. At the same time, according to third law, it also arises a force. Due to this force, a velocity generates in the gun, so as gun moves in backward direction. That means it takes a jerk, and Vg is the velocity of gun. So here Vg is also called recoil velocity. Now, according to conservation of momentum, we can say that initial momentum is equal to final momentum. That means initial momentum of the two body system. Here the body is mass of gun and the mass of bullet. That means gun and mass are the two body system. Initially, we can say that क्या कह सकते हैं हम लोग भैया कि u of gun is equal to u of bullet. That means velocity of gun, initial velocity of gun and initial velocity of bullet 0, because at that time the bullet is at rest inside the gun. So we can say that m g into uz, that means initial momentum of the gun, plus mb into ub is equal to 0. But the final velocity is not equal to 0. Clear? We can say uz into umg into ug plus mb, the mass of bullet, into initial velocity of bullet is equal to 0. So we can say that, now I want to erase it. So we can say that what? That mg into ug plus mb into ub is equal to mg into bg plus mb into bv. That means initial velocity mass of the gun into initial velocity of gun plus mass of bullet into initial velocity of bullet is equal to mass of gun into final velocity of the gun. That means jerk velocity. It is also known as recoil velocity. It is also known as recoil velocity of the gun plus mass of bullet into final velocity of the bullet. By this expression, we can say that this is equal to 0. So mg into bg plus mb into bb is equal to 0, or also we can say that or vg into mg is equal to minus mb into bb, right? That means we can say, if we reverse it, then it would be negative. Therefore, Vg is equal to minus mb, that means mass of bullet, by mg, mass of gun, into Vb. This is an expression. But that means velocity of gun is equal to mass of bullet by mass of gun into velocity of bullet. But it is just an expression in terms of velocity of gun. This velocity of gun, that means this backward velocity of the gun, is known as recoil velocity. So if we can say here Vg is equal to Vr. Vr is the representation of V recoil. That means recoil velocity of gun. Therefore, Vr is equal to minus mb by mg into Vb. This is the value of recoil velocity of the gun. We can say this is the value, this is the numerical value of recoil velocity of gun. Hence, we can say that recoil velocity of gun is defined as the jerk velocity of the gun when the bullet is fired with the gun. And it is a very important formula, and it is applicable. It is a principle of conservation of momentum theory. Thank you.